Hi guys, it's Ali and I am back. So get on ready with me after a busy day and I will be using the newest whitening facial set of Brilliant Skin. So before, I already used the facial whitening set already, which is yung mga bilog. But now they have it on tube, so when you travel, it's gonna be more handy and mas madali siya dalhin. So yeah, get on ready with me. So first step is you have to wash your face with the Buddha Armatin soap, which is this one. As you can see, this one. So after washing your face, you have to use their toner. So itong toner na to, you have to use it. You can use it pala during the night and the morning. So kunyari, first thing in the morning, ito yung gagamitin mo. And look at the packaging, meron pa siyang seal, which secures it na hindi talaga siya matatapon pag nilagay mo siya sa bag mo or toiletries bag mo. So yeah, use the toner. And since it's night na nga, I'm gonna be using the whitening facial cream. So pag morning naman, you have to use the sunscreen. So pag morning routine, you use the sunscreen. But if it's night routine, you use the whitening facial cream. So ngayon, ang gagamitin ko is the whitening facial cream kasi it's night already. So yan. See kung gaano siya kaliit, pwede mo lang siya ilagay sa bag mo. So, hindi siya maging super bulky sa luggage mo pag nag-travel ka. To get yours now, I have the yellow basket below and I will be putting the link. So, dito, it's good then that their packaging has directions for use pag gagamitin mo na siya. And like what I said a while ago, it comes in very handy when you travel. So, what are you waiting for? Get yours now.